We've got Aditya Arora, who's joining us now to talk more about markets. Aditya, how are that levels, Nifty, Bank Nifty levels telling you right now?
Very good afternoon, Ajay ji. I think both Nifty and Bank Nifty is at very important technical point. For example, Bank Nifty is trading at 44,500. At 44,500, we are seeing significant put writing, which is supporting the market. On the other hand side, the pressure so far. Downward pressure had been created by institutional investors, where we saw almost short open interest of almost 44,000 contracts in derivative. So that has dragged the market on the lower end side. But at this point, I feel there's nothing much to worry because technically market is at important support zone, and dollar index internationally looks poised for a big crash. So that will bring a lot of equity inflows. So maintaining 1 to 2 month point of view, I'm pretty bullish on the market.
Okay. Uh, let's talk about the big draggers in the market, and are they likely to turn weak, or are they getting into value zone? HDFC Bank and Reliance?
Absolutely. These are the heavyweights which have very strong, actually these move the market, both HDFC and Reliance, and these both are heavyweights in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I think now both have come down to a very important support zone. I'm very bullish on HDFC Bank, which is currently trading at 11516. So this stock can be bought at 1516, and stop loss should be 1490. Target should be 1600 to 1700.
Okay. What are your own trading ideas right now?
So I like something from the defensive space until we get good momentum in the market. So MGL looks good at 1105. 1030 should be the stop loss, and 1200 to 1300 should be the target. Second one from Max Life, Nifty Pharma space has been doing quite well, and it has been an outperformer. We believe that this space will continue to do well in the short term and also in the long run. So Max Health could be bought at 596, 546 should be the stop loss, and 650 to 700 should be the target.
Let's talk about some of the other pharma stocks or consumer stocks. There was a big upgrade in HUL today. Marico's too is up almost 4.5%. What do you like in consumer names? If I were to ask you a trading idea, pure consumer.
Both the names which you mentioned look pretty good on the technical chart setup. So HUL can be bought at 2493, and 2440 should be the stop loss, and target should be 2600 to 2750. Even if we look at the Marico's chart, then Marico also looks quite strong, but I would wait for the more momentum over there. So currently HUL looks good in the consumer basket.
Okay. Let's talk about some of the mid-cap IT names. In fact, one stock which deserves attention, and that is Eureka Forbes, almost 500 now. Today there's a big initiating coverage, but what is interesting is this stock is coming back on radar. What do the charts of Eureka Forbes tell?
It's listed in BSE, right?
498.
Correct. So Eureka Forbes is also going through a consolidation, but I see strong hands buying the stock at the lower price levels. So Eureka Forbes could be bought at 500, and 460 should be the stop loss, and target should be 600. So this stock also looks good, but lacks momentum. So sideways to positive bias could be maintained in this counter.
Okay, point taken. Thanks so much, Aditya, for joining us with that take as to which are the stocks you like at this point of time and where the market is headed.